Riwruok mar Governors okwedo chiwo mag tenda kod contracts kokalo kuom mbui ka giwacho ni chenro no timore mapiyo kendo biro ketho tije mag sirikal counties. Kanoloso Mombasa, jotend Governors Ahmed Abdullahi owacho ni migawo mar omenda pok omiyogi duoko bang' chwalo ywak margi. Governors go omedo ni noko kawo pachgi malong'o motelo ne kawo okang' ma kamano.
Governor Rungo said, you can't even as in this county, I'm not saying you are right for, you can't tell them they lose billions. When I was a minister,
functions of counties are a matter of life and death for the common man. Right? If you say a hospital is not able to procure a certain drug they need for a patient on an emergency because they have to go through a system, which system is still being tested and being troubleshot, it's not working, then we actually are compromising not only the delivery of service but also the lives of Kenyans. And all this misinformation that you're seeing is not going to help. And having raised these matters, having even gone to court, we have never had a response from Treasury saying that this is how this thing is working. In this particular county, it was not working. We went and fixed it, and it's now working. In this State Department, they have procured end-to-end with this system. We have not seen. All we just see is, the dramatization of accusations of running away from, accountability and corruption.
Makedo gi mibadhi e pacho ka EACC ondhiyo Commissioner Malope Mabusia Collins Aila Liyai kise kuom kawasoya